Nick Iannati here with Casual Furniture Solutions. We're going to be replacing a rib assembly on your AKZ or AG28 models. Typically they break in a windstorm or something like that, where they get tossed around and hit the ground and they'll snap. So basically what we need to do is take out four screws from the top here. I always start from the top. So let's just say that this is the broken rib here. So we're going to want to take the 2 screws on either side out. I always tend to open the umbrella up a little bit, just so you're able to work on it pretty easily, and also take your canopy off. And there's going to be a video on that as well, how to take off your canopy and put it back on. Where's this screw? All right, so we took out the 4 screws on either side of the rib that we're going to be replacing. Then we're going to want to take just 2 flathead screwdrivers and wedge them in between the top and the bottom half of the hub. And then we're going to pry it down to pop the rib out. So you open that up, pop the rib out, and take your new rib, put the pin right back in it. You want to make it as even as you can so it can go back in and seat, get seated properly inside the hub. So you'll just pry that back open, and then that fits right back down in there snug. So we'll tighten those 4 screws up and then work on the bottom hub. So now you basically just do the same thing on the bottom hub as you did with the top. A little bit here. So we'll take the 4 screws out that surround your broken rib. Then take your flathead screwdrivers, wedge it right back in there, pry it open a little bit, and it comes right out. So you'll have the top part in already, so you just take the bottom part, stick the pin right halfway through it, try to line it up as best you can, and make sure it gets seated properly in there, and then take your screwdrivers out, and then just tighten those 4 screws right back down. And that's how you replace the rib assembly on your AKZ or AG28